Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn text to liquid chrome with generative image in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into exporting of image, using type tool, generative image, choosing of variation, and using descriptive prompts. Now let's get started. So here in our document, I have here a clear canvas. And the first step we're going to do is we're going to export our text file. So to do that, going on to the toolbar, let's go and get the type tool. Rest this one. Click on this. Go to the menu bar. We're going to set the fill color to black. Then for the font style, we're going to make use of this font style called LSD in the water regular. Or if you have something like the same font style with this, well, you can use that. Just a liquid effect. All right, so let's apply it here. Let's just click on this, and then let's type down our channel name. Doodle Royalty. There you go. Now let's reposition and rescale this one. So going on to the layers panel, click on that text layer, press Ctrl or Command plus T for the transformation command, and then with this anchor points, let's drag it out to increase the size. All right, now this one is okay. All right, now we're going to export this file. So go into the menu bar, go to File, go to Export, then find Export As. We're going to set the format to PNG. Then let's go here and select Export. Well, we're going to name this one as text file. Then let's export it. Now, next step here, we're going to remove this text layer because this time we're going to create here a liquid chrome that will serve as our texture. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. But moving back, now we're going to make use of the generative image for that. So going on to the toolbar, let's go down here. Yes, as you have seen this icon, click on that and then select on generative image. Yes, click this one. And yes, this window will appear. Now we're going to type down a prompt here for our liquid chrome. So for the prompt, I want to create a holographic chrome. So in my prompt, I'm going to type down here holographic chrome, metallic polish, smooth edges, oval dew, floating on air, isolated on black background. And yes, that's the prompt. Now, once all set, you can now go down here and hit generate. After a few seconds, now we already have this holographic chrome. Alright, you can go to the properties panel and check on the other variation. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. Now this shape is already a flower. And here's the third one. Well, I like this third option. So we'll be choosing this one. And then after this, we're going to export this file again. So again, let's go to the menu bar, go to File, go to Export, then select Export As. Okay, so same thing. Let's set that format to PNG. Let's export that. And then let's just type down the file name here. All right, once we already have a file name to it, now let's go and export again. There you go. Okay, now it's time to apply this chrome on a text. On the layers panel, we're going to remove this layer again, the one that we just generated. Let's go again to the generative image. So go to the toolbar, go down here, click on this, and then select generative image. All right, so let's go here on the reference image first. Well, I'm going to click this one. Yes, this arrow here. And once I click this one, under the style reference, let's go and choose image. And let's go to the folder where we just saved our holographic chrome texture. So yes, once I open this one, just click on that file, then open. All right, so that texture that we'll be using is already here on its style. Now let's go to the composition. Click on this arrow. Again, go here, choose image. Then this time, we're going to choose the text file that we just saved. Click on that, then hit open. Now it's already there. Then for the strength down here, well, we're going to adjust this one into the fullest amount. And then let's go here for the prompt. Yes, this box over here, I will put down here the chrome, apply the holographic liquid chrome effect to the text, preserve the font style with plain white background. Okay, so here's the prompt. Now once all set, you can now go and click generate. Now we already have holographic texture applied to our text. So here's the first option. Well, this one is cool, but as you have noticed here that our text is clearly readable, go to the variations panel and we can choose on the other options. So here's the second option and here's the third option. And I'll be going on the third option. I like this one. And if you're not satisfied with these three variation, we can go up here in the properties panel and click generate once again. And here are the other options that is provided. Well, this one is okay. Here you go. And this one. Well, as all you have noticed here, that this image has a perfect shadow and a perfect reflection on this black background. And that's how it goes. So let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to turn text to liquid chrome with generative image in Photoshop.